So thank you, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. This is Bala speaking from Rollout IT. As for me, I'm a senior developer with 10 plus years of experience in web development background. And I'm also the founder and the CEO of Rollout IT. And today I'm very excited to hear more about Rust.
So for example, this foo is coming from another module, and from our app, we want to implement it here. We cannot do that. But in Rust we can. For example, let's just write some quick examples, like having a food struct, having a trait called, let's say, show. So let's implement the show for foo, and let's implement the missing members also, and okay, let's just print line with the name. It's very straightforward implementation. I can also say that this is a foo with name. And now I delete this one. And let's just try out. So for example, let foo equals to foo with a name which is a string. Well, I can use into something. And I close it. And let's just call the show method. These are amazing things in Rust. You can just auto-implement a trait for a specific struct by just passing this derived word, and this will implement that based on the fields it has. For example, let's see, it has a name, which is a string, and I could just write out this name string from hello, and this works. So this derive here is a procedural macro, and what it does is basically reading the tokens here. So for example, this will determine that this is a struct. Okay, so we will use this implementation for a struct, and this is necessary because, for example, for an enum the implementation would be different, or like for other types, and it can also determine the name and so on and so on. I will not show you how to implement procedural macro because that is a bit advanced, but I will show you one of my implementation, which is, I think it is very interesting.